Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What you're about to hear is based on my personal experience. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Santander Bank's online presence, found at www.santanderbank.com. Navigating their website, you can explore a range of financial services offered to both individual and business customers. From personal checking and savings accounts to complex corporate banking solutions, Santander aims to provide a comprehensive financial hub. Their website offers resources for managing your finances, learning about different investment strategies, and accessing loan options for various needs. You'll find details on mortgages, auto loans, and even credit cards, each with varying terms and conditions. Santander also emphasizes its commitment to digital banking, highlighting features like online bill pay, mobile check deposit, and 24/7 account access. They appear dedicated to providing a seamless and convenient banking experience in today's fast-paced world. Exploring the site further reveals sections dedicated to financial education and security, demonstrating a commitment to empowering customers with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions and protect themselves from fraud. You can often find information about current promotions and special offers available through Santander, so it's worth checking the website regularly. Finally, the site usually includes a robust Contact Us section with multiple avenues for reaching customer support, including phone numbers, email addresses, and sometimes even a live chat option for immediate assistance. This aims to ensure customers can readily get the help they need when they need it. Santander's website attempts to cater to a diverse clientele by offering services tailored to different financial stages and goals, making it a potential one-stop shop for many banking needs. Remember, this overview is based on my own experience, so be sure to do your own research and due diligence to see if Santander Bank is the right fit for you.